Evening, everybody. We're going to do something a little different today. We're still going to get planes, I hope. Hopefully the camera will cooperate too. But I don't have my phone with me, so we're not going to be looking at flight radar. I'm wrong most of the time anyway when it comes to guessing planes and where they're going. But anyway, that just hit my tripod extent. But that was obviously a Southwest. And there's another one. He's way too far out to guess. But he's going across a really nice sunset. It's a Southwest party tonight. And another one. I swear they're not all the same ones. These, like I said, I'm not looking at flight radar, but I bet these are the ones coming up from Florida to Denver. Ooh, a Cessna. Twofer. Those are those two Southwest we just got. It's not the best shot of a bird because it's kind of behind some branches, but figured I'd give you something to look at. I'm going to be out here for a few more minutes, see if we can get another plane or two, but if not, we'll call it. Yeah, we got nothing else coming up. Ended up checking flight radar, and there's nothing. So thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.